Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back. I just have a short video. I want to talk a little bit about the Murakami collection. I know there's a lot of controversy going on. Most of the items are out of stock, but I did notice that they did have some trainers that are back in stock. I noticed it about 2 days ago. Today is Friday. I'm not sure if I'll upload it today. They still have a few available of the LV trainers in white. I believe the black was all sold out. They did have some of the sandals. I believe the Sunset Flat Comfort sandals may have had 1 or 2 sizes available, and I think the Bomdia sandals had a few sizes available, but none of the other shoes or sandals from what I saw. They did have some fragrances also. So as you can see, these are the men's sizes. They were sold out. From what I saw, they didn't have any sizes available for the men's. I thought about it for my husband, but he doesn't care much for the white. Also, the fragrances, like I said, they did have a few of those from the Murakami, with the flowers on the bottle. They were available. And I believe that was it. Like I said, these are the black sandals. They just had limited supply, size 38, 39, and 37. They didn't have a whole lot available, so that was sad. But I was hearing on TikTok that there were going to be a restock today, but so far all I'm seeing is just a very limited supply, and mainly the shoes. Like I said, I did pick up a few pieces. I'm still waiting on one more item to come in, and then I will do an unboxing video, so please stay tuned for that. And then a little rant, I guess, because I was on the website trying to get a few items. I do have an essay, but she was only able to get one piece for me. And like I said, I'm still waiting on that to come. So as soon as that comes, I will upload a video of that. And I also do have a vintage item from Murakami that I will show that on the video. So the bag I wanted, not available. I was really upset about that.
Oh my God, my Shayla. My
It'll
Shayla.
mean from Tyrese. But yeah, so I'll be back as soon as my piece comes in. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.